Alright, so first thing we do is pull the generator out. The front of the generator is where the controls are and everything. We have to open the garage before we do this and have the exhaust, which is right there, that facing out, so it's blowing out. So the first thing we do is we have it here on off, so we want to move it over to start. Once you have it on start, then you're going to pull the handle. Also make sure that this is on so that it'll start. You pull the handle. Okay, so once it's running, so the lights come on here showing it has power going to these outlets. So these are the 4 outlets that it has power coming out from. So we will plug in, can't use that one because that's a 30 amp one. So we'll plug in preferably that extension cord, the big long one. That's the best one. If you have to hook some of these other ones together, you can. And then, so you'll plug it into one of those. And you're going to run it around the outside, around that way, into the window of the basement. And we'll run down here real quick.
Do you think we're going to lose power?
No, I just want to set it up just in case to get it warmed up. So then you'll come down here. Once that cord's poked into the window down here. So the main thing is we want to power the sump pump. That's the most important thing. So the cord will be coming in this window right here. And you just open the window enough to get the cord and you'll run it over here. And then, so we have 2 sump pumps. We have this one, which is one that's always going, it just turned on. And there's another one down there, you can't see it, but it's right there. These are the 2 cords we have coming up. So one cord. Let's look at both of them in there. Okay, so this is the cord for the pump that's always on right here. This one you can see is plugged in right here. So because when the power's out, there'll be no power to this plug right here. You have to unplug the sump pump, this pump, and you're going to plug it into the extension cord, and that'll get this pump going again. Now, if this pump can't keep up, like you hear now, it's coming on constantly. If this can't keep up and the water level's getting too high, then you have to plug in the other one. So the other one you plug in is right here. You can see the cord hanging right here. So this is the other sump pump. It says right on it, backup sump pump cord. So you'll plug this one into the extension cord as well. You can run both of them off of the same extension cord. If the one right there, you can see it now, if that one doesn't come on, that float right there, that white thing, if you grab that and you lift it up, you'll hear it'll come on, the sump pump will come on. Because sometimes that float gets stuck and it doesn't come up. But you can see that's where the water's coming in at. So if the water level is high up here, it's getting up to where these alarms are, and it's not, that pump isn't coming on, then you got to go in there and lift that up and it'll come on. And then you have to control that pump. You have to stay here and control it. You can unplug it right there. Just unplug that to make it go off. You don't want it to run while it's dry down there. So you just turn it on long enough to drain that, and then you would unplug it. And then if it starts getting too high again, you can plug it in again to get the level down. And that is it.